SmartFlash. Live smart and be healthy for good. Folks, washing machine. Useful machine to launder clothing. What a modern machine to help saving time and physical effort. Remember, it is a hazard though. Risk: electrocution if wiring exposed or damaged, burns with detergents, health issues due to lack of trace maintenance, injuries when exposed hands in moving parts, pinch points, fire, electric shock, children trapped in front load type. Precautions: separate laundry colors initially, empty pockets of the laundry items, set the right temperature, run regular maintenance, don't overfill it, place it in a safe location to prevent children trapping. Unplug it if not in use. Place it on a dry surface with no water. Hazards are both at work and at home. SmartFlash. Live smart and be healthy for good.